Johnny's in the basement mixing up the medicine. I'm on the pavement thinking about the government. The man in a trench coat, badge out, laid off, says he's got a...
Yo, man, I totally love this new Head and Shoulders, man. I love this stuff, man. Yo, I should call them up. Maybe they can give me an offer or something.
Hello?
Yo, you work for that Head and Shoulder?
Yeah, that's us.
Yo, who runs your crew? Who runs it? Who runs it? Who runs it? Who runs it?
Procter and Gamble. That's who runs us. Also known as managing us.
You run from Gamble from Batman? Like Batman the Dark Knight? You know Gamble? He that big black dude who gets cut in the face? Gamble? Gamble?
No, we do not. We're not with anyone from Batman the Dark. It's Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble. We also make things called Vicks and Old Spice.
You got that Old Spice? It smells good. It tastes bad. You taste it bad. It's bad. Why you make that bad tasting deodorant? Deodorant. Why you taste it all bad? It smells good. Doesn't taste good. I don't want it. I don't want it. Yo, what it takes to be you guys? You know, like join your crew. What do I gotta eat 50 bags of candy? Eat like marshmallows? Poco hobo? I don't know. What do I gotta do to be in your crew? Procter and Gamble. What I gotta be?
Well, did you graduate college at least, and with a PhD?
Yeah, boy, I got my PhD.
Where did you graduate?
Where I graduate?
Well, I graduated from Harvard Medical. I did. I was ranked number 3 in my class. Well, okay then. All you really need to know is simple basic ingredients to make Head and Shoulders, its physical and chemical properties, and hazards, like general overwatch of it, like, you know, what not to do with it, don't eat it, and whatnot. I'm pretty sure that's simple.
Off the top of my head, what you trying to tell me what I can't and do? Are you saying it? Like how zinc carbonate is ZnCO3, and zinc carbonate can irritate the respiratory tract and affect being that of a mild alkali. Some soreness and coughness are symptoms if, like, you get it in your stomach, you get it in your mouth, and you eat.
Sir, if you really want to be part of this team, you gotta remember the whole thing. You forgot the hazards of zinc carbonate. If you inhale the dust or the fumes of it, it will cause you to have a dry throat with a very terrible cough. In some cases, when you ingest whatever it is, the dust, it may cause nausea and or vomiting. Fever, there may be a slight chance of fever. You will need to know sodium laureth sulfate, which its chemical formula is actually, I can remember it off the top of my head like it's easy. Carbon, hydrogen 3, CH210, CH2O, CH2, CH2, and OSO3Na. It's not that hard. These substances provide a foaming quality for the product, allowing it better to distribute the product while washing through the hair and skin, and while brushing teeth sometimes. Is melting point at -2 Celsius, boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Gravity 1.4, and hazard is really just produce, like, don't get it in your eye. You'll get, or it would like irritate really badly. That's all you really need to know about that one. To be clear, I'm sorry, sir. And then you have glycol distearate, which is its chemical formula C38H74O4, and what it's used for is like a thickening agent. The physical properties of it I'm sorry, I'm a bad speaker. I don't know why. The physical properties of it is pale yellow, waxy flakes. The chemical appearance is melting point. It's around 65 to 73 Celsius. There's no really hazards for this type of ingredient. The other one is magnesium sulfate. Yes, magnesium sulfate. And the chemical formula is MgSO4. Magnesium sulfate can be absorbed through the skin, reducing inflammation. Sometimes you can find it in bottled water. An interesting thing. Did you know it can be used to make tofu? Magnesium is very soluble in water, and at room temperature is about 1.5 pounds. And get this, there is no bad outcome of it. Like, there's no hazards. Did you know that? It actually helps. Do not ask why I have this phone. The last two ingredients are sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium chloride. Sodium lauryl sulfate's chemical formula is CH3CH211O-SO3Na. Its basic properties are useful in cleaners and detergents, and sometimes even in toothpaste. Physical property is consistency is a white powder mixture with a melting point of either between 204 and 207 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is unknown, and for hazards, there really isn't any, just like previous ingredients. This product is not meant to hurt you, it's supposed to help you. Isn't that amazing? We make stuff that helps people, not like some things that can give you cancer, like Axe. Yeah, calling you out, Axe. Calling you out. Be taken care of? Yo, what is my, how much money will I be making? Can I get this job? What is the requirements? I need to know. If I want to be part of your crew, posse, I need to know what I gotta do. Sir, please calm down. As excited as you sound to join our team, I'm quite as well excited. We do have one specific job opening, and I think you'd be great for it. It's called a postdoctoral position. And since you have your PhD, that would be extraordinarily helpful. Alright? Now, I will just have to say a few things. Some qualifications that you will need to know is distributing in-depth knowledge of the formulation of chemistry and whatnot. You will need to know formulas, the periodic table, chemistry, biochemistry, flavor chemistry. Yes, there's chemistry for flavor. Did you know that? It's exciting how much there is. And process engineering. Now that's a tricky thing to do. Process engineering. And look, I guess the job type is research and development. Primary location is in the US, sir, so that's not going to be a problem. But full-time job type is standard, and the median salary rate is around $45,000 a year. $45,000. Now, doesn't that sound grand? Alright, sir, this made me so excited. You know how much excited this makes me? I'm so excited right now. Look at me. Man, you can't see me, but man, I love Head and Shoulders. It's the best thing ever made. Man, you get me a job? I love Head and Shoulders. Look, it smells so good. You make me happy. You make me happy. Oh, it's in my hair. It's in my hair. Oh, it feels so nice. It's in my hair. Head and Shoulders. Yeah, I'm gonna work for you guys.